ATL April 2025 highlights. Government. Subhash Excellence HSS Shivaji Nagar. The month of April 2025 at the Atal Tinkering Lab was a vibrant blend of hands-on learning and creative exploration. Under the guidance of ATL Incharge Mr. Deewan Singh, students embarked on their journey into basic electronics, Level 1, laying the foundation for future innovations. The curriculum focused on understanding essential components, such as breadboards, LEDs, and batteries, empowering students to grasp the fundamentals of circuit building. The highlight of the month was the activity of the month, designing and assembling a mini USB fan using a DC motor. This engaging project not only sparked curiosity, but also encouraged problem-solving and teamwork. With wires buzzing and ideas flowing, April turned the ATL into a hub of youthful energy and invention, setting the tone for a year of tinkering and transformation.